got a Mustang behind me too. I don't know if he's following me or what. Now today, we're gonna be taking out my 2002 Subaru WRX just for a quick spin. If you haven't seen the previous video that I've done on this car, I've done a full review on this car, so if you're looking for more specs or more information about this, I'll make sure to link that above. But the biggest reason that I'm actually taking this car out today is one, because it's been sitting in the garage for a couple months now and I feel like I've been neglecting the fact that I haven't been driving it as much. And two, I actually just upgraded my external audio setup and I was kind of using this car as a little bit of a guinea pig just to kind of see where the audio quality is at. This car has 0 catalytic converters. And in 2002, when these first came out, they came with 3. So this one just feels like it's very free-flowing for the turbo. And anything below 3,000 RPM, it's nothing to write home about, but the real magic happens past 3,000 RPM. The car just really starts to wake up. So I'm super grateful that I have one that I put back together and that I'm able to drive and enjoy, but I'm kind of getting to the point where I'm ready for the next thing. And not to say that I couldn't keep building this car, but I think maybe I'm just ready for something new. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or if I'm just gonna, you know, hang on to it and keep it in the garage or whatever, but for today, I just want to have some fun. To this back stretch over here. Something I did notice a little bit is just from sitting for so long that the brakes just need to be kind of broken back in again. But I think they're warming up. The engine's nice and warm. Spinning up, the noise is just intoxicating. You can sit here, just go on the throttle, off the throttle, on the throttle, off the throttle, and it just does not get old. It is so good. I'm gonna take it up this pretty big hill over here and we'll see how the engine opens up. We'll do the old Italian tune-up on the Subaru. Make sure everything's in working order. Approaching the highway. I already got a Mustang behind me too. I don't know if he's following me or what.